Hi guys, in this video we will see how to draw a circle by using four different methods. Watch the previous videos how to reach there in a sketch module. So let's begin. Click here to select a method to create a circle. These are center and point, concentric, 3 point and 3 tangent. Let's start with center and point from sketch tab, sketching panel, circle and center and point. Select first point as center of the circle and second point on the circumference. Click on scroll wheel to unselect the command and make the dimensions appear. Here comes center of circle and this is diameter of circle. Press left mouse button twice on dimension and let's make it 20. So this was the first method of drawing a circle, that is center and point. Now let's move to the next method, that is concentric. Well, concentric is a pair of more than one circular entities, that is arcs or circles. In this case, there should be a reference arc or circle to make it concentric. So let's use the previous circle of diameter 20. Now select concentric from sketch tab, sketching panel, circle and concentric. Select either center or circumference of circle as reference. Now select a point as reference circumference of circle to be drawn. Press scroll wheel twice to end the command. Press left mouse button twice on dimension and let's make it 40. So this is pair of two concentric circles, that is their centers are common. Let's begin with third method, that is 3 point. From sketch tab, sketching panel, circle and 3 point. Select the 3 points from where circumference of circle will pass. Press scroll wheel to end the command. Press left mouse button twice on the dimension. Let's put it 35. But the position of three specified vertices will change as well. Let's begin with 3 tangent. We must have 3 tangent entities from where circumference will pass. Let's draw a rectangle of dimensions 40 by 20. See method of drawing a rectangle in another video. Remove rectangle shading by unselecting sketch tab, inspect panel and shade closed loops. Select 3 tangent from sketch tab, sketching panel, circle and 3 tangent. And select top, right and bottom sides of rectangle as tangential entities. So this is a circle drawn with fourth method, that is 3 tangent. Here alphabet T indicates tangent constraint, that is line is tangent to the circle at given point. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.